Meaning of eyeliner.
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 Eyeliner. Eyeliner is a cosmetic product that is used to define and accentuate the eyes. It is typically applied to the upper and or lower lash line using a small brush or pencil. The result of applying eyeliner can vary depending on the technique used and the desired effect. Generally, it creates a more defined and dramatic look to the eyes, making them appear larger and more awake. Different types of eyeliners such as liquid, gel, and pencil can produce different effects, ranging from subtle to bold and dramatic.